Hi, I'm Olo. Welcome to my channel. This illustration was created on a summer afternoon drawn using Procreate. I wanted to depict a kitten that just finished eating curled up and napping on a chair. The whole image is meant to convey a quiet and leisurely atmosphere. In Procreate, I chose ink style brushes and slowly outlined the kitten's curled up body. I revised the kitten's lines several times until the pose looked natural and relaxed. Next, I added ink to its body, layer by layer, to create a soft gray-black tone. Then I added its peaceful sleeping expression with calm eyes and brows and the gently drooping whiskers. Then I carefully outlined its curled up paws, making the whole pose look even cuter and more peaceful. After finishing the drawing, I adjusted the overall position so the cat would fall right into the most fitting spot in the picture. Then, I started to draw the chair where the kitten naps. I started by drawing the cushion. Then stroke by stroke with my brush, I outlined the wooden frame and proportions. I wanted the chair to be simple, with a sturdy structure like the old furniture you often see in country homes, quietly watching over a summer afternoon. Finally, at the bottom of the image, I added a few pieces of half-eaten watermelon that has the taste of summer for the kitten. A few red and green pieces scattered across the ground, with watermelon seeds still left and visible bite marks, as if it had just eaten and yawned in satisfaction. As I kept drawing, I felt myself walking into that afternoon, breathing in the slow, peaceful moment, with the kitten that fell into deep sleep after eating. This painting has no storyline, but it holds warmth. It captures a moment of the most ordinary daily life. And as I quietly looked at the finished scene, what rose in my heart was a small yet undeniable sense of happiness. We're always searching for something in our busy lives. Gentle poetry is hidden in everyday life, in those overlooked little moments. If you also enjoy painting ink style illustrations with Procreate, feel free to leave a comment and chat with me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to follow more of my Procreate creations. See you in the next video.